Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let's take 19th aspect. Arabic has shorter sentences. There is no need for is, am, are in Arabic sentences. For example, if you want to say who are you, you say man, meaning who, anta, you. Man anta, who you. There is no need of are. Similarly, if you want to say this is a book, you say hada kitab. Hada means this, kitab, a book. Hada kitab. That's enough. Let us now see how you can control the message by addition of just letters. As an example, let us take huwa yamshi. Huwa means he, yamshi means walk. Huwa yamshi. If you just add la huwa yamshi, it means indeed he is walking. Huwa la yamshi. He is indeed walking. Huwa mashyun means he is a walk, meaning he keeps walking. La yamshiyan, that means surely he is walking. La yamshiyanna, that means surely he is walking. This is ultimate emphasis. And liyamshiya, meaning so that he walks. Falyamshi, so he should walk, and so on. You can easily control the power of message by addition of simple letters. Each expression has its own, so to say, temperature or pressure or softness or hardness or degree of emphasis in a sentence. For other languages, you may need to add words. That's another reason Arabic prose or poetry is very powerful. And the Quran is ultimate there. After all, it is Allah's composition. Do you want to know more? Subscribe to our channel youtube.com/users/understand Quran. Wassalamu alaikum.